When your presence is so pure, positive, it attracts positivity. The same thing happened in Colombia when I also was fortunate to be in this meeting, in the FARC meeting, where 60 years of civil war, almost 60 years. They became so, they were all really tired and,
3 generations have been fighting.
like they said, we want our children to be more peaceful. We don't want to give leave behind us, again, this type of insecure society to them. So they were in fact ready for this knowledge. Right time Gurudev went. Of course, they were saying 50 years of peace talk didn't work. What happened in a few days, 3 days of visit of Sri Sri? So I told them it is not what he spoke, it is who spoke.
Who spoke?
His presence really made them, they said, all the way from India have come, you don't know about us and you don't have any interest like politics or anything in there. He's not a politician or anything in that.
Yeah.
So they had, that faith and trust which had totally gone from their life, returned back to them. Because here is a person who is wanting goodness and who wants our welfare. From nowhere he has come. So they said, you are our Messiah. And they started calling him, Mastro, they will call him, like Gurudev, we call Mastros. And then they said, we really feel confident that you will do something for us. The gut feeling comes from away. All of us have this. Everything in life is not like 2 + 2 is 4 like that. Everything you cannot explain. So for the first time, trust in their life returned to them. Faith, which had gone away from them. So they said, now if you say, we will believe. So that is where Gurudev said, please finish this violent ways of demand. See to it that, that of course ideologies may not match, but you have to come to a consensus somewhere. So they saw sense in that, and then it was such a beautiful moment, poignant moment for me, when I saw all these people whom otherwise I thought, gorillas mean somebody violent people.
Get scared to be around them also.
It's really not like that. They are all such simple, very, they were so gentle. You couldn't make out that so many 50, 60 years of war was happening through them. So they came to agree that we will do a non-violent, ways of Gandhian ways of bringing peace into our country, and which has happened now. So this is where, these are the practical examples, and in front of your eyes it's happening. First day they came so stiff and sat there, what is he going to do? Third day they're following him like kittens, like we want to do something, we want to, really help our people and bring peace in our country. So this is where, it was so heartwarming for me to see. And how it is, and he has time and again shown that it's so practical wisdom, this wisdom, that ancient wisdom that we have, it is our wealth, which is so important, and it unites people, it brings in people together. So that uniting factor is our strength, in art of playing, the Gurudev says, we belong to the whole world, Vasudhaiva
Kutumbakam. Yeah, correct.